On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money on ClickBank using ChatGPT. This method is beginner friendly, and the best part is that wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, because I'm going to show you how to make money with this strategy without any skills, without any experience. So if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to come right here, click on the marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to select a category right here so that you can get digital products to promote. You can see a whole lot of different categories. If you want, you can click right here all so that you can see the categories that you can get digital products to promote on this website. You can see a whole lot of them. In case you find it difficult to create an account on ClickBank, what you have to do is that you have to search for Student for. On this particular website, you can also find a lot of digital products that you can promote wherever you are in the world. So now let's get back to ClickBank. So once you are on ClickBank, what you have to do is that you have to select a category. So in this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to select the health niche. So just click on health and fitness. Once you click on health and fitness, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll down, you can see these are digital products that you can promote under the health and fitness category. You can see this product right here, Alpine Lean. I don't know how to pronounce it well, but I think it is Alpine Lean. This particular product is one of the popular products on this platform. You can see the gravity score is 2207. That is a very high number, and you can see right here the commission rate is very high. You are going to be earning $138.94 per every sale that you get. You can see that is the initial conversion. So as soon as somebody purchases the product, you are going to earn $138.94 instantly. If you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different digital products under the health and fitness. You can see a whole lot of them that you can promote. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to be promoting this product right here because it has a higher gravity. You can see it right here, which means a lot of people who are promoting this product, they are getting sales. So if we promote it, there is a likelihood that we are also going to get sales because people like the product. The rest you can equally promote them, but you must make sure that the gravity score is 50 and above so that you can get people to buy the product for you to make money. So what we are going to do is that we are going to promote the first one. To promote the product, you can click right here, affiliate page, so that you can find out if the product owner has a lot of resources for you to promote the product. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the resource page of the product. You can see right here, you can get email swipes to promote the product. You can see everything, and more to the point, they even have demographics for you. You can see this is the age range. People who are 40 and above, they are the people who are purchasing the product. You can see the devices here. They have mobile, they have tablet, and then desktop. So these are the devices that you can target when you are running ads. You can see the location is United States, UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. So these are the popular locations where the product is getting sold. So if you are promoting the product, you have to target people in these locations. You can see the traffic type, email, native, YouTube, TikTok. You can see Facebook. You can also see right here they have images that you can use to promote the product. You can see the images. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to save one of these images so that we can use it to promote the product. So just click on any of the images that you want. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to right click so that you can save the image. Just right click, select save image as. Once you save the image, you are going to come back on ClickBank. Now what you have to do is that you have to get your affiliate link. So just click right here, promote. Once you click on promote, you are going to enter your nickname right here. You can see mine is right here. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, create hop link. Once you click on create hop link, you can see right here, this is your unique affiliate link. So anytime people buy the product through this particular link, you are going to be earning money on ClickBank. So the next step is that we are going to drive traffic to this particular link so that we can get people to buy the product for us to make money. So this is where we are going to be using ChatGPT to help us drive a lot of traffic to this particular link so that we can get many people to buy it. So the next step is that you are going to come on ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model that is capable of generating response with high accuracy, just like human. So whatever question that you ask ChatGPT, it is going to generate a response for you that is very satisfactory. So you are going to use it to help us promote the product. So now what we have to do is that we have to ask ChatGPT to write a blog post about the product. So when you come on ClickBank, you can see this is the name of the product. So just come on ChatGPT and then ask it to write a blog post about the product. In this case, we are going to just type something like write a blog post about how to lose weight using alpiline or something like that, alpiline. So you can see write a blog post about how to lose weight using alpiline. As I said earlier on, I don't know how to pronounce the name of the product well. Once you have your instruction like this, just click right here, go, so that it can write the article for you. As you can see, it is writing. As you can see, it is writing everything. So we are going to wait for it to write a full blog post about how to lose weight using alpiline. So as you can see, it is writing everything. It is going to write a very useful article for us. You can see it is writing. As you can see, it has finished writing the article. You can see this is a full blog post that we can post. As you can see, everything. So now what we have to do is that we have to publish this particular article so that we can get people to read it and then purchase the product. So you are going to search for site.google.com. So site.google.com, just search for site.google.com. Once you search for site.google.com, you are going to see a page like this. If you want, you can select any of these templates to build your free website. In this case, I'm going to start afresh, so you have to click on blank so that you can create your own website. Once you click on blank, you are going to see a page like this. So now what we have to do is that we have to give a name to your website. So you can just type the name of your website right here. So just type any name that you want. In this case, I'm going to type something like lose it naturally. So something like this, lose it naturally. This is the name of my website. As you can see, that has been done. Once you give a name to your website, the next step is that you are going to type a title right here. In this case, I'm going to type lose weight naturally, something like this. Once you have the title of your website, the next step is that you are going to upload an image of the product right here. So just click right here, change image. Once you click on change image, you are going to select upload. Once you select upload, you are going to select your product image. Click right here, open. As you can see, this is the image of the product. You can see it right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to paste your article right here. To paste your article, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to paste the title of your article right here. So what you have to do is that you have to find a nice title that can get people to click through and then read this particular blog post, so that they will get to know more information about the product before they buy it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to paste my title right here. As you can see, this is my title. Let me just highlight it and make it bold. Let me make it bold and then increase the font size. So let me make it 14. I think that is okay. Once you have your title, the next step is that you are going to paste the body of the article right here. So just come back and then click on text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to paste the body of the article right here. So you are going to come back on ChatGPT and then highlight and copy this. Just highlight and copy the introduction. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back on your site and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to click on text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to come back and then copy the rest of the text. So just highlight and copy it. As you can see, that has been done. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come right here and then paste the text right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to add an image of the offer right here. You can see right here in this particular paragraph, we have been able to tell the reader about the product. So now the next step is that you are going to upload the image of the product right here, so that you can get the reader to click through and then purchase the product. To upload an image, you are going to click right here, image. Once you click on image, you are going to select upload. Once you select upload, you are going to select your image, the image that we downloaded. Click on open and it's going to be uploaded right here. As you can see, this is the image, so you can drag it upwards a little bit. As you can see, that has been done. Let's increase it. Let's increase the size of the image a little bit. As you can see, this is the image of the offer. The next step is that you are going to type your call to action right here, so that you can get people to click through and then buy the product. So just click right here, text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to type your call to action right here. So just come right here, click on text box. Once you click on that, you are going to type your call to action. So just type something like click here to order this product. Just a simple call to action like this. click here to order this product. Let's make it bold, and we are going to increase the font size, so let's increase it to 18. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have your call to action, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link right here. So we are going to come back on ClickBank, just click on promote again, click on create to hop link. Once you click on create to hop link, just click right here copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back, highlight the call to action, just highlight it, and then click on insert link. Once you click on that, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here, click on apply, and you can see right now this particular call to action is linked to your affiliate link. The next step is that you are going to click on the image, click on insert link, and then you are going to paste your affiliate link right here, click on apply. Once you click on apply, anyone who clicks on the image or the call to action, they are going to be directed to a product through your affiliate link. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to paste the rest of the article. So I'm going to do that and then come back to you. As you can see, this is the article. You can see this is the full article. So now what we have to do is that we can type call to actions in this particular article. If you want your call to action to look more professional, what you have to do is that you have to upload an image of the offer right here. On the affiliate resource page, there are a lot of different images of the product that you can download. So you have to download many of them so that you can use them in this particular article. In this case, I have one, so I'm going to click right here, images. Once you click on images, click on upload. Once you click on upload, you are going to select your image, click on open. As you can see, this is an image of the product. So now once we have an image of the offer, we can add another call to action. So just click on text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to type a call to action like click here to order this product now, something like this, and you are going to add something like no shipping cost, something like this. Once you have your call to action, let's increase the font size of the call to action. So just highlight it, click on bold, and we are going to increase the font size of it. Just increase it. Once that is done, we are going to insert our affiliate link right here. Just highlight it. Once you highlight it, you are going to click on copy. Once you copy, you are going to click right here, insert link. Once you click on insert link, you are going to paste the link right here, click on apply. Once that is done, you are going to click on the image, click right here, insert link. Once that is done, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here, click on apply, and that has been done. So now you can see this is our article. You can see everything. We have our call to actions in the article. You can see everything. The next step is that you are going to publish this particular article. So just click right here, publish, so that your article can be published. Once you click on publish, you are going to give a name to your website. So just type something like weight loss 234. That is not available. Weight loss 2345. Just something like this. I don't think that is available, so let's change it, weight loss for F. That is available. So the web address doesn't matter, so just type any web address that is available. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, publish, so that you can publish your website. You can see it is publishing right now. Once that is done, click on view so that you can view your website. As you can see, this is your website. You can see everything in the website. You can see this is our affiliate link. So when people read it and then click through, they are going to purchase the product through our affiliate link. You can see the last image. This is our affiliate link. So now the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to this particular website so that people can read the article and then purchase the product for us to make a commission on ClickBank. So the first traffic source that we are going to use is this particular website, getter.com. I don't know how to pronounce it well, so I think it's getter.com. So this is the first website that we are going to use to drive traffic to our website. When you come right here, you can see choose my interest. This particular website, there are a lot of different interest groups that you can join. So once you click on choose my interest, you can see there is weight loss, that is fitness. You can see breaking news, you can see fashion, business. Let me scroll down, you can see food, home improvement. As I scroll down, you can see music, travel, you can see movies and TV, you can see politics, gaming, and many more. So what we are going to do is that we are going to join an interest group that is related to the product that we are promoting. So in this case, we can select fitness. Once that is done, you can also select food. You can even select more. So let's just add business. Once that is done, you are going to click on save. Once you select your interest group, the next step is that you have to create a post and then invite people to read the article that you have published. Just paste your post right here. As you can see, this is my post. I've written a post inviting people to read my article. So this is the post. Once that is done, you are going to paste the link to your article right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to come back on your website. Once you're on your website, it has been published. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy publish site. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to click right here, copy link. So that is the link to your website. So just paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done, and you can see the website has automatically generated images of your blog post. You can see it right here. So now just click on post so that you can get people to read this particular article and then make a purchase for you to earn money. You can see this is it. Your post was sent. Read it. So just click on it so that you can see how it looks like. As you can see, this is the post. So your potential readers are going to see it like this. Once they click right here, they are going to be directed to your article. If they read and like the product, they are going to purchase it for you to make money. This website is getting a lot of traffic from the United States. When you come on similarweb.com, you can see right here, this is the name of the website, getter.com. You can see right here, this is the amount of traffic that this particular website gets every month. You can see 4.5 million. As I scroll down, you can see nearly half of the people who visit this website are from the United States. You can see Brazil, you can see United Kingdom. So this particular website is one of the best traffic source that you can use to promote your article. Apart from that website, you can also come on Facebook and then join weight loss groups. Just join weight loss group and then promote your article to them so that they can read it and then take the necessary action for you to make money. For example, you can see this is a weight loss group. Just click here, write something. Once you click on it, you are going to write a post inviting people to read your article. So just paste your invitation right here. Once that is done, you are going to paste the link to your article right here. So you are going to come back on your website, just copy your website link. So we are going to paste the link to our website right here. So as you can see, this is the link to our website. So once that is done, you are going to click right here, post, so that you can post it to the group. Once you click on post, this particular group, they always want you to answer some questions before your post can go live. So in this case, we are talking about weight loss. So just select that, click on submit. Once that is done, you can see the post has been submitted. So we are waiting for the admin to approve it so that we can get people to read the article. Apart from this group, there are many other groups that you can post. Some of the groups don't need approval. Once you post it, the post is going to go live onto the group members. You don't need any admin approval before your post is live on the group. So you have to share your article onto many groups so that you can get a lot of people to read your article and then buy the product for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.